We gotta crash, we gotta crash.
Nice push, bro.
Oh, everything's still on there.
Okay.
I cut that in there real quick.
Well, it looks like someone's about to go drifting. So, you know what we're gonna need? A whole pile of tires. Brand new, baby. Now, the key to filling the nitrous, get your pump nestled in on a loose pile of cardboard boxes, hook up the lines, and don't forget the YOLO.
That looks like exactly what we're doing.
Nitrous, brother! You open up your big bowl, don't forget the freaking YOLO!
Alrighty, so this morning we are headed out to Willow Springs International Raceway. This is going to be our very first test day of the 2020 season. Me and Chris are testing our comp cars. Tuerck's got the Ferrari car, and we're going to go out there and shred some tires. So really looking forward to today. Been thrashing on this E46 for the past 6-7 months, so I'm incredibly eager to drive it. So fingers crossed today is going to be a really, really rad day. So nonetheless, we get to smell some tire smoke, which is good.
Lighten up the oil system. We did an oil change. You can just grab a belt and grab this drill, and you'll feel it.
Movement in them, so we're going to tape down with some handy electrical tape there. Just make sure you know everything's tight. You don't want to lose parts of the car before we get to the track. That's not right. Just break everything at the track. Sun's out, guns out, eh?
Sun's out, pasty boys out.
Gotta get that white, a little darkened up. Got you. Ready to rip?
Yo! You know what? We've been so busy lately, I haven't had a proper amount of vegetables in like 2 days.
Get it! Dude, that thing is so wicked. I never felt something spin the tires like that. I've never felt anything pull like that before. Like, it's no drift car I've ever driven like that. This thing makes 250 more horsepower than any other drift car I've ever driven. Got my shirt all rolled up, looking swole. Yeah. Hey, heard you guys need something filmed. I got you.
Got the shot. Never miss a shot. Why are you wearing a Hans device?
Because if he nose this into the wall, I'm not gonna die.
Yo, whoa!
Did you survive?
What? Tuerck, you already Tuercked me one time.
I know.
Before.
I know.
This time wasn't so bad because I saw it from far away, so I was like, all right, I better start moving. So I already started moving.
I'm glad that your instincts are still right there, nice and sharp, even during an off time.
Oh yeah.
Every single one.
Pops, what you doing? Just checking stuff. Making sure everything's tight, nothing's coming loose. Anything come loose, or is it all good?
This one's a little bit loose, but nothing super bad.
Yeah, we're gonna get pulled out.
This thing ain't 4x4. The 4x4 4586. Add a couple more numbers in there.
Dude, it is never a dull moment with these guys.
Oh, everything's still on there. Okay. Yeah, you got a bush. You're dragging a bush, but that just adds to your flair.
Nice push, bro.
I was like, oh, the diffuser's pissed. Like, no, that was the first time. So I chucked it too hard. When you hit lock in this thing, it hits a dead spot with the electric power steering pump. So I couldn't come back off the lock. And for a split second, that split second dragged me off the track. Whatever. I went in too hard anyway. And it dragged me deep. And Taco over here had to pull me out. And then I went back out there because everything looked fine. We checked it out. It looked all good. But I guess we weakened the tie rod because when I came back out for my next lap, it tacoed the tie rod. The thing bent straight in half. And then I almost wadded into the Jersey barriers at the bottom of the turn here, which would have been really ruined the weekend for sure. So I'm glad that didn't happen. Dominic's fixing it. We have the spare Wisefab parts. And we are going to head back out there, calm it down a notch, and have some fun.
We talk about doing this all the time, and we've never done it. So today's the day. So I'm gonna break his car, he's gonna break mine, and it's gonna be great.
Dude, there's my car!
Ah, dude, you gotta turn that wick up, dude.
Yeah.
Power is sick. Super smooth and easy to drive. I like it. Yeah. It's like, makes me think I got this thing too wound up. Let me know.
Copy that. Get out that way. Woo!
rip into his, and that thing seriously feels like a V8. Like the way that the turbos come in, it's like, it feels like 1,000 RPM sooner than this one. It's really unbelievable. Yeah. Even just warming up the tires, just being able to pedal it like that. I love the sequential box. Oh, yeah. That is absolutely next to this thing.
Mr. Kinnan, Mr. Big Vanilla, BK, what do we got here?
So I'm working on the ground drone. Some people like to do the air drone. This is the ground drone chase cam.
Do you think that may be dangerous to the well-being of the car?
But you know, this is like 10 years old and it's past its prime.
Got smoked. Well, that was short-lived. It got
Playing with fire and we do it.
playing with fire and you got burnt. Look at this. Look at me. Look at me go.
Oh yeah, that's gonna work.
Yeah, that'll stay there.
It's not gonna stay. This thing is so smooth.
Yeah.
Day.
Yeah, you got to drive your car for the first time.
Dude, and I got to drive your car for the first time. That's true.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah.
No, dude, overall, like one of the most wicked days ever. New car was radical. Your car is psychotic.
Yeah.
Your car seems like it jams too, as always. A little bit of squirt on that thing. But
Add a little nitrous, she goes.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Nice job, boys. That
Yeah,
was
you
awesome.
guys didn't have any real serious issues or really anything.
No,
Yeah,
car ain't
like,
perfect
at
all
all.
day.
I'd say that is a solid freaking test day.
That's
for a
about as
brand
good
new-
as it gets.
I know.
Brand new car, and
Yeah.
obviously a lot of
Full
new stuff
rebuild.
that you did.
Yeah, full rebuild. Yeah,
Ground up.
Nobody's cars really seem to give a shit at all, so that's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
Even though I stuffed mine off the side of the track quick 2 or 3 times.
She's still happy.
She's all good.
Yeah, well, we should probably get something to eat because we're all starving.
Oh my
Yeah,
God,
it's been a long day.
Ready to die. I hope that was good enough. We're out.
Ever hanging out in a hot box with a bunch of hot dudes before? Born? I mean, we're like sweating. It's very, very hot. It's warm.
Come smell my armpit.
Enhance. Enhance.
Some shoddy work.
Yeah, I know. That's called 90% right there. If it sticks like that, well, that machine only goes up to 60 psi. So first off, ignore all warnings. Send that baby to 100, and then if it doesn't pop, put it out in the sun. Sun softens the tire, and it'll pop. Just wait.
About how long?
Could be a minute, could be 40. Who knows?
How you doing? What's up? Yeah, over there. Like when I got the wheels like 2 months ago. You thought you were gonna catch me off guard, huh? You're like, how you doing? You tired now? Yeah, brother. I beat him to it for once.
What's up?
Down for the 5001 cam today?
Dude, 5001 cam's gonna be lit. It's gonna be on point. All the good shots, get up in the action. You know, our cameramen have to have the finest of footwear at all times. Got my gloves here.
Gloves.
No, they're Sparkos. They're race gloves.
Yeah.
But I think they're for like heat.
Yeah.
Because, you know, I'm gonna be shooting some red hot fire on the GoPro cam.
That's right.
How's the spray pitch? Are we good?
Should be all right. Yeah.
Boom, there you go.
I heard it and you were like, and it did that weird thing. You did like the halfway in.
Yeah.
The back tires.
That's from like a Jack in the Box milkshake?
have a firewall.
It's from probably one of those water bottles.
Hey, don't freaking worry about our mods over here, dude.
Well, no.
Our mods are good.
Oh, hey, Ken, will you hit my kill switch?
Did you see the disco?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Come on, Joe, get that summer bod ready, dude.
It's seen better days. But I think of the new E46 and we got a fresh Simpson suit to go along with it. I think we just fire this baby up. Does it have to say man? Now that this 370Z does make over 1,000 horsepower. Back to you in the studio, Chuck.
Kinder knows me so well. Maybe better than my fiance.
Hey, 4x4. I think that thing's a 4x4 too.
Nate, what do you got there?
I've got spoil all over the place, but it's an alright situation because I got Rain-X waterless car wash and detailer.
Look at that stuff, multitasking, not just for washing your car anymore. Never ends for Papa Hughes.
Those are Chris's.